Replace all wheel well wear plates, shafts, impeller hubs, and blades. New shaft, new wear plates, new hub, new blades. Replace wheel well bearings and seal plates. New bearings, new seal plates on both wheel wells. Replace urethane liner, the roof, back, the two sides, that back, and this bottom section. It's all been replaced. Repair a hole in front wall of blaster. We welded the hole up. You can't see it because it's covered up now. Replace rubber slingers and split collars on roller shafts. All new. Replace front screen and bottle roll fingers. The screen is new. The screen is new. These are the bottle roll fingers. The bottle will roll up onto the shaft. Replace wheel well deflector plates. Brand new T deflectors. All 4 of them. Replace ball rollers on lift table. All the ball rollers have been replaced. Replace door, bubble rubber seal. The new door seal has been replaced. Replace oiler. Oiler's been replaced. Oil is in the oiler, which is important. Replace wheel well motor belts and roller drive belt. New wheel well belts, B41s, new roller drive belt.
Done?